This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Keith Miller. Welcome to your elegant sanctuary in the heart of Riverview, Florida. Experience elevated living in this exquisite William Ryan-built residence showcasing the sought-after Canaveral floor plan in the exclusive, gated enclave of Providence Ranch, a boutique community of just 21 distinguished homes. From the moment you arrive, impeccable curb appeal sets the tone, with lush professional landscaping, a stately front entry, and timeless architectural accents that exude curbside charm and sophistication. Inside, a bright, open concept layout unfolds beneath soaring 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot interior doors, lending an airy, grand ambience throughout. Rich bamboo wood flooring flows across the expansive living spaces, including 3 oversized bedrooms and a dedicated home office/study, perfect for today's lifestyle needs. At the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen is a culinary showpiece, appointed with stone countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and an oversized island that anchors the open dining and living areas. Whether entertaining or unwinding, this seamless flow offers both elegance and ease. The primary suite is a luxurious private retreat, adorned with tray ceilings, walk-in closets, and a luxurious spa-style bathroom complete with a soaking tub, glass-enclosed shower and dual vanities. Secondary bedrooms are generously proportioned and thoughtfully designed, offering comfort and privacy for family or guests. Step outside to your covered lanai and enjoy a beautifully manicured backyard oasis, ideal for Florida's year-round outdoor living. Whether you are enjoying morning coffee, hosting weekend BBQs, or unwinding after a long day, this space offers the perfect blend of serenity and style. Located in Riverview, this home offers convenient access to top-rated schools, shopping and major commuting routes, making it as practical as beautiful. For more information, review the details.